Hello, Ivises. How are you? I hope that you are wonderful. Today is a bright, sunny day. But before we get into this lesson, let's sing our warm-up song together. Are you ready? In 3, 2, 1, let's go. Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you today? Are you happy? Are you angry? Are you sad? Or are you excited today? Is it March? Is it April? Is it May? Or is it June? Guys, you have done a wonderful job. Now, today we're going to construct or build our own words. We're going to start with 3-letter words. Let's write this down. Building our own words. B U I L D I N G. Building. Words. W O R D S. Building words. Building words. We are going to start with 3-letter words. Now we've done letters of the alphabet and what they sound like. What phonic sounds do the words make? The first word that we are going to make is our favorite furry animal, a dog. A dog. So let's see, how do we break down the word dog? There are 3 letters and 3 sounds. D-A-G. D-A-G. Dog. D-A-G. Dog. Now, what letter makes the sound D? What letter makes the sound D? Great job! Wonderful! D makes the sound D. So let's write that down. D. D makes the sound D. How about A? A. What letter makes the sound A? Perfect! O. We're almost there. We have 1 letter more to go. Our word is dog. We have D-A-G. Of the 3 letters, we have the first 2, which makes the sounds D and A. What's left? Great job! G. And what letter makes the sound G? Perfect! Very well done. G makes the sound G. D-A-G. Dog. D-A-G. Dog. That is how we make the word, that is how we build the word dog. So let's do 1 more word. Another furry animal that we really like. That would be cat. K-A-T. Cat. K-A-T. Cat. Now what letter makes the sound K? What letter makes the sound K? Great job! Wonderful! C makes the sound K. C makes the sound K. Now what's our word again? Our word is cat. Cat. So what's the second sound that comes out from cat? K-a-t. K-a-t. What makes the sound ah? What makes the sound ah? Perfect! The first letter of the alphabet makes the sound ah. That would be letter A. Letter A. So our word is cat. We have k, we have a, and now we're missing t. T. What letter of the alphabet makes the sound t? What letter of the alphabet makes the sound t? Great job! Very well done. Letter T. So let's write down letter T. Now remember, at the beginning of the lesson we said that we are going to make 3-letter words. So let's see, have we done that? Will you count with me? Perfect, let's go. D-O-G spells dog. Let's count the letters. D, number 1. O, number 2. G, number 3. That is a 3-letter word. Let's move on to cat. K-a-t, cat. K-a-t, cat. K, 1. A, 2. T, 3. Cat. That is also a 3-letter word. Do you think you're ready for just one more word? Let's do it. Let's make one more 3-letter word. This word starts with a letter A. A. It's a word that is quite similar to monkeys. This is quite similar to monkeys. Do you know any words that are similar to monkeys that start with the letter A? There was a movie many years ago about these animals. Any guesses? Any guesses? If you guess the word ape, you are correct. Great job. Ape. Ape. Eh. Ape. Eh. Let's write that down. A. A. P. P. E. E. Ape. Let's count this together. 1, 2, 3. This is another 3-letter word. If we break down the words in our head and we know the phonic sound, we will be able to spell them out. If we know the phonic sound and the letter that makes the phonic sound. For example, dog. We broke it down by saying D-O-G, dog. We know that D makes the sound D. We know that O makes the sound O. We know that G makes the sound G. That is how we spelt the word dog. That is how we built the word dog. You can practice this at home with anything around you. It does not just have to be a 3-letter word. It can be more than that. Remember that practice makes perfect, guys. Until next time, goodbye.